Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your block list on WeChat. So let's jump right in. First, open the WeChat app on your device. Tap on the Me option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the Settings option. In the Settings menu, tap on the Friends Permission option. Here, at the very bottom, you can see the block list option. Tap on it to view all the contacts you have blocked on WeChat. And this is how you can see your blocked list on WeChat. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.